subway with no map in hand. Graffiti on the walls from a forgotten band. Echoes of laughter of a city's dream, lost in the rhythm of the steel beam gleam. Strangers in the silence with their stories untold, eyes like windows to the heart of gold. Guardians of secrets in the rush hour groove, dancing through the darkness like we got nothing to lose. Riding through the night on a silver snake, neon lights flash as our hearts awake. Over bridges under stars so bright, we find our tales in the velvet night. The city's pulse like a living drum, beating in unison as the trains hum. Street lights flicker like a firefly trace, caught in the whirlwind of a midnight dance. So many faces, each one unique, in this underground world where words can't speak. We paint our dreams on the window pane, hoping they will stand the morning rain. Riding through the night on a silver snake, neon lights flash as our hearts awake. Over bridges under stars so bright, we find our tales in the velvet night. Riding through the night on a silver snake, neon lights flash as our hearts awake. Over bridges under stars so bright, we find our tales in the velvet night.